Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is Mohsin Azam interacting with you from my YouTube channel Business Innovation. Today we are going to start our 7th lesson of Planning Engineer and Primavera tutorials. The topic which we will discuss in today's lesson will be calendars in Primavera P6. So there are actually three types of calendar. One is global calendar, then second one is project calendar, and the third one is resource calendar. By concept all the calendars are same. The only difference is that where they can be used. So all the calendar by concepts are same, but the difference is that where we can use the calendar. So first of all, global calendar. Global calendar can be assigned to any resource or activity in the P6 database. So this global calendar can be assigned to any project, any activity, and any resource of the project of the database, not for the specific project. Then project calendar is associated with a specific project and can only be assigned to the activities in that P6 project. So it is project calendar. It's clear from the name that the project calendar is specified for the specific project and it can only be assigned to the activities of that project. Resource calendar can only be assigned to resources. Now we have to create a global calendar in P6. As we discussed, that global calendar we can use for the multiple projects and for the resources. So first of all, from the Primavera we have to go to the enterprise, and then we have calendars here. If we see on the top we have global calendar. The global is selected here. We have resource and we have project calendar. So anyone from this you can select based on your requirement. So as we want to create a global calendar, we will click here global calendar, and then we will go to add, and from here as a sample you have to select a calendar as a sample. Here I will select 6 days 10 hours, and I will select from here by clicking the select option. So now a new calendar is created here. Now I will define the name for this calendar. This is RW project 01. So this is now the new calendar which is now created, RWP01. Now next, click modify from the calendar window. So now we have to click here the modify button. So by selecting the calendar which we create, now we have to click modify, and here a new window will appear. Here we have two options. One is total work hour per day and the second is detailed work hour per day. This is the first option is for the total working hours per day, how much hours you want to keep in a day, and this is the detail of working hours per day. So this both we have to discuss. First of all, we'll start with the total working hours per day. So for this, first of all, what we will do, we will go to the work week first of all. So by clicking here, first of all we will select this one, total work hour per day, and then we will go to work week. So for the work week you have to define that how much hours per day you will work. So on Sunday we will work 10 hours. On Monday we will also work 10 hours. Similarly in the Tuesday and in the Wednesday and in the Thursday also. Friday also I will keep 10 hours, and for the Saturday I will keep 0. And now I will click OK. Then we have to click here the time period. In the time period, what we have to do, we have to keep here hours per day 10, and hours per week, hours per month, and hours per year. So here hours per day, as we discussed, the working hours per day will be 10, and if it is per week, so we have 6 working days, so 10 multiplied by 6 will be 60, and in a month approximately 26 days will be working days. So 26 multiplied by 10 will be 260, and if we multiply 260 with 12 for the year, it will be 3120. So like this you have to define your time period also. Okay, next is you have to specify the public holidays. So for the public holidays you have to select the specific day. You have to define it one by one in the calendar. So in January 1st we have holiday, then in March 1st also we have holiday. So how we can do that? We have to go to the January month. This is the 1st January now, and here we will click non-work. So this will be converted to non-work, and then for March 1st is also non-work. Then we have April 3rd, which is also non-work, and then we have May 1 to 5. So May 1 to 5, this all non-work, and then we have July 9 to 12. In July 9 to 12 non-work, and then July 30, October 8, then again July 30 is also non-work holiday, and then we will reach to October 8 I believe. So we'll select as non-work, and then December 1, 2, 3 and 31st, and then December 1, 2, 3. This will be non-work. One also non-work. Okay, this is 2023. Now we have to define the same in 2022 also for the remaining months. As now the current month is August, so after August we have October 8, December 1, 2, 3 and 31st. So we'll define October 8 in 22. October 8 is already Saturday, which is not working day, and then we will define the December holidays, which is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 is our holiday, and the Saturday is not by default non-working day, and then 31st is also non-working day. So like this every month you can modify for the public holidays. Okay, now next is detail work hour per day. As we discussed before, that this is the total work hour per day. This was generally for the total work hours per day. As we select here that the total work hour per day will be 10, 10, 10, and on Saturday it will be 0. And as we discuss here in the time period, that working hour per day is 10, per week is 60, and per month is 260, and for yearly it will be 3120. Now we will further distribute the working hours in the day. By clicking this option, click work week to set the daily shift. This is for the daily shift now. This is actually the work distribution now on the daily basis for the shift. So here what we will do, we will click this option and then we will go to the work week. So here we will click now work week, and here see now the days of the week is appear: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So first of all we will select Saturday, and Saturday is all non-working day as we defined before. Now we will start from the Sunday. So Sunday, if we see here, the working time start from 7 a.m. and it's going up to 16. And for the Monday, if you want to make one shift in between, for example for the Sunday, I want to start this from the 6 a.m. I will click here work, and now I will go to one by one each day, and I will click here, it's selected here work. And Tuesday also from 6 o'clock we will start, and on Wednesday also we will select here work, and Thursday also work, and on Friday work. So now if you see all the days, we have now 6 a.m. start time. So from the 6 a.m. it is reaching to 16, so the 1 hour is extra. So now from the 12 to 1 o'clock I will start from Sunday. 12 to 1 o'clock I will make as a break. So this I will make as non-work. Monday also non-work, Tuesday non-work, Wednesday non-work, Thursday non-work, Friday non-work. So now if you see, we have now two shifts. One is up to 12 p.m. and after the work will again resume at 1 p.m. and it will finish at 4 p.m. So like this you can create the shifts in a day. Now I will click here OK. Now I believe that the calendar is now ready to use in a project. So now I will click here OK. But keep in mind that the calendar name is RWP01. Now I will click here OK, and now I will close. Now you see here, as we discussed, that by selecting any project we can see the detail here. From general we can see the general information which we discussed before, and here from the default now we can say that we have calendar here, standard 5 days work week. Now we will change this calendar, the default calendar, to the calendar which we defined just now, and this is our WP01, and we will select this one. So now the default calendar for this project is RWP01. That's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page Business Innovation. Thanks for watching.